Rayvon was just 23 years old, a student at Jamaica's University of Technology when he conceptualized a truly pioneering invention. He called it Zermasol. It's an ultraviolet self-sanitizing door handle. A smart touchpoint device designed to kill 99.9% of pathogens, while remaining completely safe for humans and animals. At a time when the world was just beginning to reel from the shock of COVID-19, Rayvon was already imagining and building the solutions of the future. At a recent product launch, leaders from across the Caribbean took notice. Alison Drayton, the Assistant Secretary General of CARICOM, described Zermasol as a meaningful solution, a life-saving design that fits our reality. This was a significant moment. For a region often seen as a consumer of technology, not a creator, this invention sent a powerful message of capability and ingenuity. Today, Zermasol is celebrated not just as a brilliant product, but as a symbol of the Caribbean's growing pool of science and technology talent. Drayton later described it as a powerful expression of what happens when innovation is rooted in purpose and fueled by resilience. Rayvon's journey, however, didn't begin in a high-tech lab. It started somewhere much more humble. Rayvon Stewart grew up in Mount Prospect, a small, rural farming community in the heart of Jamaica. Raised in a poor household by his grandmother, resources were always limited, but his sense of purpose was not.